hubby made lime ice cubes. So we thought, what if we made ice cubes like a shot? Lime with ding 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 tequila. So, I don't know if you can see this. It is ice cube tray filled with tequila and lime. And it's going in the freezer. Ooh! I can't, the iPad's about to fall. It's gonna go in the freezer and we're gonna check back and see what it tastes like. We could be onto something, people. We could be onto something. Okay, it's been about 24 hours, or maybe less. I actually don't remember, but it's a whole nother day. Let's check it. Let's do it. Ooh. Oh, look at that. It's become like a slushie. I don't know if that's an ice cube because the alcohol didn't freeze very well, but look at that. But iced tequila shot, that sounds pretty good to me. Let's taste some of this. Ooh, look. Yeah, it's like frozen. It is a tequila lime slushie. Shot, do it. Holy. Did you put a lot in here? Is it just pure tequila? Ah! That was a teeny spoonful. And did you just pour tequila? I didn't make these, just saying. Did you just pour tequila into the... You just put straight tequila in here? He's not answering because he knows he did it very strongly. I think I just thought it was a tequila infused water. Not straight to... Actually, now it tastes better in my mouth. I'm gonna try a bit more. Ooh! God, I'm gonna have to dilute these. God, good idea though. Slushie is just very strong.